How you like that? You can like that. How you like that?
Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! Hello guys! Kumusta? I hope you're doing fine at home. Stay safe pa rin. Manatili pa rin tayong maingat. Kung lalabas man tayo, wear face mask. Huwag tayong mawala ng pag-asa because sooner or later matatapos din lahat ng to. And I'm pretty positive and I'm pretty sure na malapit na yung pagtatapos ng problema natin ngayon. Well, for today's video guys, I guess nakita nyo na sa thumbnail and sa title, for today's video, I am so excited because I myself is a K-pop fan. Meron akong nagawang mga K-pop looks dito sa aking YouTube channel. And today, right now, I am also recreating one K-pop look for today. And this is actually very special to my heart because I'm a big fan. I am a Blink. Yes, I am a Blink. I was so excited when their song came out and I was so happy when it came out and their looks were so good and amazing. So for today's video, kung nakita niyo sa thumbnail nga and sa title, we will be recreating Lisa's look. So yung look ni Lisa, ayan, eto, this one right here. Etong look na to, eto yung ating i-recreate for today, which is so cool. And pinaghandaan ko talaga itong video na to because nagpagupit ako ng buhok. See, nagpagupit ako ng buhok. Ayan, so I decided to cut my hair really short to achieve that Lisa look for today. But before that, if bago ka lang sa channel ko, huwag mong kalimutang mag-hit ng subscribe. And also make sure to click on the notification bell because this channel is really fun. If you are into makeup, if you're into beauty, wellness, ganon, then you are on the right channel. Also guys, I do have an ongoing giveaway. Link here, and dito yung link. Ilalagay ko dito yung link. I hope you will be watching that because meron akong pag-giveaway from Squad Cosmetics. So I hope you'll join the giveaway too. So yun lang. So wag na natin patagalin. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and start! By the way guys, yung pinatugtog kong How You Like That is from my sister's cover of How You Like That. Meron siyang Tagalog version ng How You Like That. I hope you would also check her channel out here. Andito yung channel niya, andito yung video. So I hope you'll check that out. Or I'm gonna just add it sa description box below. Meron siyang Tagalog version and it's so amazing, it's so nice. What we're gonna do first is that we will be moisturizing our face. So yung moisturizer na gagamitin ko is my new favorite from Fresh Skinlab, 98% tomato glass skin. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, ito yung one of my favorite currently na moisturizer. You just add this sa ating face. So, kaya nagmo-moisturizer ako ngayon, it's because we will be doing a K-pop look or a Korean look. As we all know, yung Korean look do have a very good skin to start with. Hihiya yung aking mga tigyawat, yung aking mga pimple marks, and everything sa kanila. So, mag-moisturizer tayo para maganda yung lapat ng ating makeup. After that, I'm gonna mist my face. I'm gonna use from Sun Glow by Fresh, their Sun Mist from Maybelline and heraianess. And I'm just like gonna mist it all over my face. Ayan, so sino ba sa inyo dito yung Blink fan? I guess if you're new to my channel and napadpad kayo dito, I'm pretty sure na isa kayo sa mga Blackpink fans. Ayan, tuyo na yung mist. Now, let's proceed with our primer. So, yung primer na gagamitin ko is this one from QuickFx, No Shine Mattifying Primer. Ayan, so wala tayong medyo mga bago-bagong primer ngayon because hindi ako makabili. And isa sa mga pahirap sa akin right now is, since I am in Cebu, and since we are still in ECQ, walang masyadong delivery ng makeup, guys. Lazada at Shopee, hindi masyado sila nag-deliver ngayon. Yung aking mga in-order last month, hindi pa dumating. Hindi pa talaga siya dumating due to ECQ, which I am really sad. Bibili sana din ako nung bagong BLK Universal. I even tried to email, BLK, but wala din sa Cebu. So, Lazada lang yung available na pwede kong kuhanan. But then again, wala din. Wala din silang delivery as of this moment. Now, let's proceed with foundation. So, yung foundation na gagamitin ko is from Squad Cosmetics. This is the You Can Face It foundation in the shade light beige. And I'm gonna like use a brush to blend this. Kita nyo, the coverage of this foundation is wabang, bongga. Bonggang-bongga yung coverage ng foundation na to. Kaya, kailangan natin maghinay-hinay dito. You see the difference? See, natakpan niya agad yung aking mga impurities, yung aking mga pimple marks. Napakaganda ng foundation na ito. There, so we're done with the foundation. As what you can see, sobrang full ng coverage ng foundation na ito, which is really nice. And napakamura pa ng Squad Cosmetics, so hindi ka talaga magsisisi. Now, let's proceed with concealer. So, yung concealer na gagamitin ko is the usual concealer that I love from Maybelline, which is the Fit Me concealer. So, let me just use this. Ayan, very light lang. Kasi as you all know, hindi ako sobrang ma-concealer na tao. Because nasasayangan ako sa extra product. So, ayan, ganyan lang. Very light. There you go. So, we're done with our base. Now, let's proceed with our contour. Mag-contour na muna ako because I don't like looking at my face sa parang isang napakalaking patatas. So, mag-contour na muna tayo so that at least meron na tayong definition sa ating face. So, yung contour natin is very subtle lang. Ayan. There you go. So, now let's proceed with our eyebrows. Ayan. So, yung eyebrows ko, yung gagamitin ko is this specific eyebrow pomade from Beauty Glazed. And let me just do it off camera kasi sobrang tagal ko mag-eyebrows. Then, I will be back. And I'm done with my eyebrows. Ayan. So, dark eyebrows lang tayo for today. And hindi na naman sila magkapatid. Let's proceed to the fun part, which is yung ating mata. So, yung palette na gagamitin ko is ito lang. Ito from Focallure. This is the We Care Your Favors palette. So, ito lang yung gagamitin ko for the eyes today. I'm gonna get this brown shade right here. And I'm just like gonna add this all over my eyelids. This is just to add color and depth sa ating eyes. Bago ang lahat, nakalimutan ko mag-powder. So, let me just add a powder. Yung powder na gagamitin ko is ito from Fashion 21. And as you all know, hindi ako masyado nagbe-bake. So, for today, hindi din ako magbe-bake kasi hindi ko din naman kailangan. So, I just need to set the whole face. Kaya itong Fashion 21 na loose powder yung ginamit ko today because it has like small pigments of glitter. So, meron siya mga parang glitter sa powder niya, and we want that kasi nga Korean look yung gagawin natin, so we need to have at least shine and dewiness going on sa ating face. Now, let's proceed with another color. Itong brown gold yung gagamitin ko, and I'm just like gonna add this all over my lids. By the way guys, just a tip, if meron kayong mga ganitong applicator, yung parang foam eyeshadow applicator, huwag niyo siyang walain because this is really good. Hindi mo na siya kailangan i-foil or hindi mo na kailangan basain yung foam. Sobrang kapit na kapit yung pigment and yung shine and glitter ng eyeshadow for this type of applicator. There you go. This is how our eyes looks like. Very simple lang. Now, dito na tayo magkakatalo sa yung black eyeshadow. Yung look ni Lisa sa music video, and this specific look has like parang bare makeup tapos nag-eyeliner lang siya. Yun din yung gagawin natin for today. So, I'm using a very flat applicator. Itong brush na ito, very flat niya. Ayan. And I'm just like gonna grab this black eyeshadow. And yung gagawin ko sa kanya is I'm gonna just line it. Just line my eyes. Parang ginawa ko siyang eyeliner. Ayan, so ganyan yung ginawa ko with my eyes. Just to outline it, lalagyan pa natin ng eyeliner yung dito inner corners up until the outside. There, now let me just add some eyeliners, mascara, and pilik mata to finish up the upper eye. Then I will be back. And I'm done with my eyes. And so this is how my eyes looks like. But we are not done yet. We need to add more black eyeshadow dito. I'm just like gonna smudge and put darker eyeshadow here on top. And also, I'm gonna add darker or yung black eyeshadow dito sa baba, sa waterline. Ayan, and I'm just like gonna blend it. By the way guys, I dipped this brush doon sa brown na pinang-base natin sa eyeshadow kanina just to smoke it out a bit. And we're done with the eyes. Ayan, so now let me just contour my nose. Kanina yung ginamit kong contour pala was from Vice Cosmetics. I'm also gonna use it to contour my nose. And also, nakalimutan ko malalagay pala tayo ng mascara sa ating bottom lash. Ayan. So, pabalik-balik tayo, no? But that's fine. That's the art of makeup. Wala talagang rules kung ano yung uunahin mo, kung ano yung ilalash mo. It depends on you. Depends on your creativity. So, ayan, mag-mascara tayo. I'm using the Everbilena Power Curl Mascara. There you go. And now, let's proceed with the blush. So, yung blush na gagamitin ko is ito from Squad Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang bagong Cheek to Cheek Duo Blush Plus Highlighting. Ito, this one. Watch my video. Ayan, I'm gonna link it here because I am currently having a giveaway for this one. So, baka gusto nyo, you can go ahead and visit that. So, ito, I'm actually using DYAD. And let me just use it here. There, now for the highlight, I will be using Careline. Kasi ito matagal ko na hindi ito nagagamit. So, I will be using this Careline Multi-Stick Highlighter. So, let me just add it. Ayun. Beaming. Ayan, so for the lips pala guys, yung ginamit ko is ito from Sunnies Face Lip Dip in the shade Terracotta. Kasi medyo brownish, orangey, reddish, parang ganon yung lipstick niya. So, ito yung ginamit ko. And, ayan, so this is basically the final look. So, let me just fix my hair, fix everything para bongga yung ating aurahan. Then, I will be back.
Sa mga araw na di ako makalipad, ako'y hinang-hina paglaya, hinahangad. Tinapos mo na sana ako agad. Look up in the sky, it's the bird, it's the plane. Yeah. Bring out your bars, bitch. Yeah. Blackpink. How you like that? You can like that. How you like that?
And this is the final look. Ang hirap mong salita dito. Ayan, so ito na nga yung ating Lisa-inspired makeup look sa kanilang music video or sa music video ng Blackpink, which is How You Like That. So, ito na nga yung ating nagawang makeup look for today. Ayan, para-paraan lang talaga tayo in order for us to achieve this look. So, I hope meron kayong natutunan for today's video. And I hope subukan nyo din ito sa inyong bahay kasi napakasimple lang ng makeup look na ito and you can really turn yourself into a Blackpink member. Ayan. So, pwede na ba ako maging Blackpink member? Aya, the 5th member of Blackpink. Well, ayan. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, don't forget to hit on like, share, subscribe, and make sure to click on that notification bell para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads because I upload 2 times a week. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And see you guys all in my next videos. Bye!